Today we're going to replace the ignition module and check the gap on a Stihl BG56C leaf blower. Firstly, remove the housing by unscrewing the 3 screws. Now you can access the ignition module. Release the spark plug cap. Then remove the 2 wires. Unscrew the 2 screws using a Torx spanner to release the ignition. Then release the ignition module. You can now replace it with a new ignition module if needed. Before securing, you will need to set the correct gap. This is the distance from the flywheel and ignition module using a setting gauge. Secure with the 2 screws. Connect the 2 wires back. Place the spark plug cap back into position. Place the cover back and secure with the 3 screws. That's to replace the ignition module and check the gap on a Stihl BG56C leaf blower. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.